Welcome to Simplified Learning, the podcast where we explore the latest advancement in civil engineering and how they are shaping our world. I am your host, Ashwin.
And I'm Sarah, an artificial intelligence expert who's passionate about how AI can revolutionize traditional industries. Today, we're diving into the exciting intersection of AI and civil engineering.
That's right, Sarah. AI has been a game changer in many fields, but its impact on civil engineering is just beginning to be understood. Let's start by talking about some of the basics. How is AI being used in our field today?
Great question, Ashwin. AI is being leveraged in several ways, from design optimization and predictive maintenance to project management and safety improvements. For instance, machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data from past projects to help predict potential issues in new projects, saving time and money.
That's impressive. I have seen some AI applications in my own project, especially in design. AI tools can optimize structural design to use materials more efficiently, which is both cost effective and environmental friendly.
Exactly. One of the most exciting developments is the use of AI in generative design. Engineers input their design goals and constraints, and the AI generates numerous design alternatives. This not only speeds up the design process, but often results in innovative solutions that a human might not have considered.
I have heard about that. Autodesk Generative Design tool, for instance, has been making waves, but beyond design, AI is also making construction sites safer, isn't it?
Yes, it is. AI-powered drones and robots are being used for site inspections and monitoring. They can quickly identify potential hazards and ensure compliance with safety regulations. Plus, AI algorithms can analyze images from the construction site to detect unsafe behaviors and predict accidents before they happen.
Safety is a huge concern in our industry, so that's a significant development. And speaking of monitoring, I have seen AI being used for predictive maintenance of infrastructure. Can you elaborate on how that works?
Sure. Predictive maintenance uses AI to analyze data from sensors embedded in structures like bridges and buildings. These sensors collect information on stress, vibration, temperature, and other factors. The AI then predicts when maintenance is needed before any visible signs of wear and tear appear. This proactive approach can prevent costly and dangerous failures.
That's fascinating. It's like having a constant health checkup for our infrastructure. What about project management? How is AI helping in that area?
AI is transforming project management by improving scheduling, resource allocation, and risk management. For example, AI can analyze historical data to predict delays and recommend adjustments to keep projects on track. It can also optimize the use of resources, ensuring that labor and materials are used as efficiently as possible.
I can see how that would be incredibly useful, especially for large-scale projects with many moving parts. But with all this AI integration, do you think there is a risk of job replacement in civil engineering?
That's a valid concern, but I believe AI will augment rather than replace human workers. AI can handle repetitive and data-intensive tasks, freeing up engineers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their work. It's about enhancing human capabilities, not replacing them.
I agree. The synergy between AI and human expertise can lead to remarkable innovations. As we wrap up, what do you think the future holds for AI in civil engineering?
The future is bright. As AI technology continues to advance, we'll see even more sophisticated applications, such as fully autonomous construction sites and smart cities, where infrastructure is dynamically managed in real time.
Exciting times ahead. Thanks, Sarah, for sharing your insights, and thanks to our listener for tuning into Simplified Learning. Stay tuned for more episodes where we will be continuing to explore how technology is shaping the world of civil engineering.
Thank you, Ashwin. It's been a pleasure. And to our audience, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to reach out. Until next time.